If you're not a fisherman, you might think that Jim's a little crazy, that he's gone overboard. But fishermen understand. It's not just a pastime. It's a way of life. Like the tide, it controls everything they do. It's who they are and who they're with. And it's not just enough to say they love fishing. They're driven by it. eAngler.com understands. It features a world-class pro shop, guide services, travel, a complete newsstand, expert advice, and online licensing. It's the ultimate website dedicated to everyone who'd rather be fishing. Plus, call or log on to eAngler.com to enter the I Landed the Big One sweepstakes to win 4 exotic fishing trips around the world, a Ranger bass boat, and $65,000 in cash. So call or log on now and
catch it on eAngler.com.